Hello and welcome to my video today. This is the original filter, the cabin air filter for my Fisker Ocean that I removed a few months ago when I did a video on how to access the cabin filter area and how to replace one. The FOA has released the cabin air filters and they're on sale on the tsunamiautomotive.com website. And I purchased about a dozen of these to install in my local area for other owners. And I just figured I'd give you a video update to let you know that the filters are in. You can now order them for your car. And most manufacturers recommend replacing these air filters every other year, basically every 24 months on a vehicle. If you live in an area that is highly pollinated like where I live, or dusty or sandy, you may need to replace them more often, maybe every year. As you can see, the filter is pretty dirty here. And just to show you the comparison, this is what a new filter looks like. So quite a big difference. And yes, this is the new filter that I just received. And it is exactly the same as far as dimensions go and material as the original filter. All right, so I put the filters side by side. The new filter is on the bottom and the old filter is on the top. As you can see, it has the same part number, airflow. The PET number is different. I think that is production made in Slovakia, and Micron Air 350-430 is the part number. And yeah, so as you can see, they are identical. An important thing about this filter is that there is the two slits here to fit into the receptacle for the filter. There's two slats that are in that opening, and that's why the filter has to be cut like this, or actually comes from the factory like this cut. And then you can slide it in and it fits in great. This tab here is for removal. So when you install the filter, you would fold this down and then you put the filter door in front of this. It'll lock into place. So when you need to remove it, you remove that cover and then this handle comes out and you just pull out the filter. Pretty easy. So that's about it. If you do want to see the instructions, I have that video right up here. If you want to install it yourself, it's not that bad. It should take you less than a half an hour. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.